Want a bright, even tone and healthy skin? This homemade vitamin C serum is gentle, effective and completely safe for your face. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder, natural and safe source of vitamin C. Half cup of rice water brightens, strengthens skin. 1/4 cup of rose water smooths, hydrates skin. Half tablespoon of aloe vera gel moisturizes and calms skin. 1 vitamin E capsule nourishes and protects from dryness. How to make it? Boil orange peel powder in a rice water for about 5 minutes. Let it cool, then strain. To remove solids, add rose water, aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil. Mix well until smooth. Store it in a clean bottle in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days. Apply a few drops to your clean fleece, massaging lightly and let it absorb. Use at night for the best results. See the glow. This serum brightens even skin tone and keep your face hydrated without irritation. Let it try and share your results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.